All right, what is up, guys? It's another beautiful day here in Playa del Carmen.
Two gringos as always.
Two gringos, always, every time. Now, I'm gonna show you guys around town, cost of living, and overall what is outside of these hotels. Because we see tons of gringos, other gringos like us, showing up to these places just for the hotels. And I used to be that gringo. This is my third time here in Quinta Roo, and my first two times was in a hotel. And I missed out on a lot, so.
Just kidding, this is a green screen. It's all fake.
Yeah, but anyways, first things first, the US dollar is taking an absolute shit right now. The whole US economy has been taking a shit. This exchange rate of 1,700 pesos is actually really, really bad. When I was here in Mexico a couple months ago, you guys saw my video from Mexico City, the exchange rate was somewhere around 1,900 to 1,950 pesos for every $100, which is a whole lot better than this situation here. The other thing too, with all the other gringos that are coming to this area and just foreigners in general that are becoming digital nomads, which is fantastic. What it's not fantastic for is the cost of living here in these areas. Honestly, the prices that we're paying here right now remind me of the prices that I was paying in Miami when I lived there about 2 years ago. Not so good. Aside from that, we're heading to the beach. Gonna go and enjoy the beach for an hour or two, and then I'm gonna show you guys maybe some other places. We shall see. Anyways, as always, stay tuned for some action. Oh, and by the way, in case you were wondering, we are not wearing sunscreen. We're not trying to be white anymore. That's one of the most interesting things. There's a tree in the middle of the road. This truck can barely get by. All right, we just got done at the little cafe. Got myself a little cake. Not that good. And also 90 pesos, which equates to about $5. Not that good. Quite expensive. Albert here got a coffee for 50 pesos. It's what, like $3?
Yeah, no.
So prices here aren't too good, can't say, compared to Colombia, but we are off to the beach. So back on the bikes we go. This place here is what you call Fifth Avenue, right? This is Fifth Avenue?
It's like the end of it.
Oh, well, this is the end of it. But anyway, if you're going outside the hotels for the first time, this is where I recommend you go. There's many other foreigners here, many other gringos. It is safe, as they say. For all of you that are concerned about safety, this is what it looks like.
Show the scenery, show the scenery.
Overall, if you like shirtless dudes, there are plenty here. In fact, there are far too many here. Many with guts. Guts are oiled up. If you enjoy that, this is the place for you.
Yep, we gotta drop off our bikes right here. That's the last spot.
Last spot. Just like that, the bike ride is over. And we're off to unknown territories where there are less and less white people every block. So let's go and discover it. And we found some art. All kinds of art. But we are on the part of the beach, or the part of Fifth Avenue, that is completely undeveloped. There is a whole lot of opportunity in this area. I mean, 5-10 years from now, it's definitely going to be booming, and it already has quite a bit of foot traffic. So if you are trying to get into real estate, real estate here in Playa del Carmen, this is the spot that I would recommend. Obviously, I don't know the prices. I'm not a real estate agent, and I have no idea how much money you need to fork over to the local authorities. But yeah, discover that yourself. All right, we have arrived in La Playa. Not very many locals. Well, not many gringos, more locals. So let's see how this beach is.
This is kind of like the middle of this beach. I was gonna actually walk all the way down there.
Oh, damn.
I'd say we'll just walk through here.
Sheesh. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna loop all the way around over there. So that should be pretty interesting.
All locals here, huh?
Oh yeah, hella locals.
People out here with their kids, with their cervezas, with their modelos. It's a simple, happy Mexican life.
Oh yeah. Let's get some beach action though. Oh yeah, by the way, coming to Mexico during this time of the year, when it's after winter, you're gonna see a whole lot of this seaweed shit. It just piles up. Nothing you can do about it. Piles up every day. So if you want to get some, if you want to come here at a good time, where you can get some really nice, not dirty water like this, then you got to come here during the winter time, from November to February, around that time. So we have definitely found some interesting areas. Some kind of pools created over here. Most likely piston, but overall, pretty cool looking. Not seeing very many white people here. Actually, I'm not seeing a single white person here. So maybe we stumbled into the wrong areas. They say it's dangerous, so we will try to be safe for you. Ooh.
It's far too dangerous here. I say let's go back to Cancun.
Yeah. This is far away from the hotels. I don't see any hotels around here, so. So as we are here in the most secluded beach of Playa, well, the most packed beach of Playa, I've noticed that there's not a whole lot to be happy in life. All you need is some beer, a beach, and some Takis. All these people chasing Lamborghinis, chasing houses, chasing mansions, chasing. And the reality is, all you need is this right here. A beach, a beer, and some Takis. Or some tacos. Done at the beach. Now we're gonna hit some grocery store action. No, okay. They tried to sanitize us on the way in. We told them no thank you. We would rather not be safe, not play it safe. But
they used to make you do that here, like they dump it in your hand, and I would just go by and just throw it on the ground.
Well, I'll show you guys the grocery store here. Oh, and by the way, there's a lot more cake than what you just saw there. You know what I mean.